UK's High Court is hearing a challenge to a parliamentary order to designate a Palestinian rights group as a terrorist organization. Protests are underway outside the court in support of the Palestine Action Group. The High Court is being asked for a temporary block on the order. The case was triggered after a few members of the group broke into a UK military base and spray-painted an aircraft, costing millions in damages. The group calls itself a pro-Palestinian organization that disrupts the arms industry in the UK. Sonia Gallego has been following the hearings outside the High Court in London.
In the opening statements that were heard in the morning, there was definite emphasis being placed on what kind of precedent this kind of prescription would impact on British society as well. In a statement that was read by the lawyer of the co-founder of Palestine Action, he talked about how this was an ill-conceived action and how it was a form or tantamount to authoritarian abuse. And in quoting the words of Huda Amouri, the co-founder of Palestine Action, that this was really a term of dissent, of civil disobedience, civil action, very much in the tradition of other civil disobedience actions that have taken place in the UK. For example, the suffragettes, who used tactics of civil disobedience in order for women to be able to gain the vote in the UK, in Britain. With that in mind, also were recalled as well were voices of concern were mentioned also by at least 5 other United Nations special rapporteurs on the nature of what the impact of such a prescription would have and how it would essentially outlaw and prescribe all forms of civil disobedience.